Welcome to VAIR Community for cracking IIMs in one attempt. Look, the problem that we want to solve for you in the world of generic, incompetent mass coaching, students are only getting guidance for entrance exam for IIMs. They don't know what to do for their application, their profile building, their SOP rounds. They have no clue about their GD rounds, interview round, written ability test. As a result, millions of students are failing at the end in order to join IIMs. But I want to solve this problem for you. For my vision is that I want to provide you one-on-one mentorship, customized training and holistic profile transformation to crack IIMs in one attempt. And the reason why we are doing what we are doing, because we want to make India the next superpower by building wealthy leaders, helping students to crack IIMs to get above 30 lakh package, 100% placement and secured career. So how VAIR help you to crack IIM in one attempt using one attempt admission model? First, we give you access to one-to-one mentorship from IIM alumni, experts and top mentors who give you guidance for aptitude, application and selection. Second, you have complete customized training where every single day you just give 60 to 90 minutes and you clear your aptitude, application and selection round in one attempt. And third, we work on your holistic profile transformation for your SOP, your profile and your certification so that you can get shortlisted in IIMs, and that's how you crack in one attempt. So if your vision is to crack IIM in one attempt, you get above 30 lakh package, 100% placement and secured career, you are at the right place. Take next steps for joining IIMs in one single attempt.